How to import a video into Reelshot. Want to start editing your footage? Here's how to import a video into Reelshot on your iPhone. First, open the app on your device and tap the Create tab at the bottom of the screen. Choose Import Video from the options that appear. You will be prompted to allow access to your photos. Tap OK if you have not already done it. Browse your camera roll and select the video you'd like to edit. Tap Import and Reelshot will load your video into a new project ready for editing. Do you usually import videos or shoot directly in the app? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure your video is saved in your Photos app beforehand for quicker importing. And that's how you can import a video into Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.